So I've planned for a slightly different little project today. So start off with a sneak peek of the Herald, sort of together-ish. But what this is going to be about is turning this into a mobile phone mount that I can put in the Spitfire. And I want this to be something that I can just screw on and off, because I'm very keen on the Spitfire remaining period looking. It's not an original car, but I don't want some great big obvious phone socket on the windscreen. So I have to get the Herald covered up, and then we will get on with making this. Okay, so my plan is on the dashboard in the Spitfire, something like that. The steering column is here, and there's a little lip underneath the dash. So what I want to do is make a shape like this, which then has a knot welded to the top, bolt through here, and then that can clamp onto this dash lip, and we can fix this camera, phone mount onto here. And I think if I do it out of, this is some offcuts from replacing the chassis, I think I should be able to bend those and put some little reinforcements across the corners to stop it from flexing, and that should just work. So let's make that sort of shape and see if it does. Okay, so that wasn't quite the perfect shape I was hoping for, but it should do what I want. Just going to have a look what it's like in the car. That fits under nicely and gives me just that little bit that I wanted. Can't even see myself. Gives me just that little bit extra that I wanted to be able to put some reinforcement in the sheet metal. Yeah, let's get that shape fixed. A little bit of weld, a little bit of fillets of something, scraps on the edge, and go from there. So that's the roughly fitted piece, reinforced, and that will do quite nicely. I think I'm going to have to trim. Right, there's a bit of weld there actually. I'll trim some of that off. But otherwise, shape's looking good. Sure this bolt is going to be long enough. It's not quite, but that's going to work. So I found a long bolt and get something drilled to mount the camera holder. There's the suitably long bolt. Now this should be quarter UNC, yes it is. Okay, I thought I was going to have to steal the camera mount to do this. How do I do this? Yeah, I'm just going to cut myself an NC bolt off very short and just bolt it on. Yeah. So it sits quite nicely behind the steering column. It's not in the way of the switch gear. Oops. It's not very obtrusive, and of course we can take it straight off. But you can't see it, so yep, so that's done. I'm going to give it a bit of a clean up and a coat of paint for the time being. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.